Megalytic is a business analytics tool designed to simplify the process of creating insightful reports from your data. This platform is aimed at marketing professionals, business owners, and data analysts who need to make informed decisions quickly without having to spend hours on complex analysis. When you first log into Megalytic, you're greeted by a clean, intuitive dashboard that gives you access to a wide range of features, from data imports to report generation. One of its key features is the ability to connect to multiple data sources, such as Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and other platforms, making it easier to centralize your reporting process. You can quickly generate reports and visualize your data in a variety of formats, including charts and graphs. The report builder is relatively easy to use, allowing users to drag and drop different data elements into their reports. It's great for users who want to automate their reporting process, especially if they manage multiple campaigns. However, some users may find the customization options a bit limited when compared to other, more advanced tools. The preset templates are a nice touch, but they don't always allow for the level of detail that some businesses might require. Another downside is that while the platform supports various data integrations, some of these integrations can feel a bit sluggish at times. This is especially true when dealing with larger data sets, where delays might cause frustration. The platform does have an option to schedule reports, which is very helpful for automating reporting on a regular basis, but it would be nice to see more options for advanced filtering and customization. Megalytic is great if you're a small business or a marketing professional who needs fast, easy-to-read reports, but larger enterprises, or those requiring more complex analytics might find the platform a bit limiting. It's not perfect, but for the price point, it's definitely a solid option for those looking for basic to intermediate reporting features. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. To sum it up, Megalytic is a user-friendly tool that serves as a good introduction to business analytics, but it has room for improvement in terms of advanced features and integrations. If you need a straightforward solution for generating reports from your data, this platform could be a good fit. However, if you're after something more sophisticated, you might want to explore other options. Make sure to like this video if you found the review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of the best business tools.